And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the WIKO U Pulse. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I always starting from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the reboot. At the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated pair mode. How to activate pair mode, you will find the manual to the device on maybe on your YouTube channel. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, sometimes the gadget just starting in the pair mode, so you have to check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for other devices but still not for your phone, go to the settings, slide down and look for the backup and reset. Now choose the network settings reset, and how you see there you have a Bluetooth, so just tap on it, configure appear, and click on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system. I'm not sure where, but we can check it. Yes, there we have a system updates. And now just check the updates. If you have any available, just download it and install. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone or other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.